Did you know that after the age of 60, many people can lose up to 30% of their muscle mass? It's a surprising number, isn't it? This gradual loss of strength is a major reason why everyday tasks like carrying groceries or climbing stairs can start to feel a lot harder as we get older. Have you ever found yourself feeling a bit weaker, even when you're trying your best to stay active? Well, you're not alone. And I've got some really good news for you. You can fight back against this muscle loss, and it's simpler than you might think. What if I told you that a simple, tasty snack before bed could help protect your muscles while you sleep? In this video, we're going to dive into why our muscles tend to shrink as we age, what delicious foods you can eat before bed to counteract this, and how you can keep your body strong and vibrant for years to come. So, make sure you stick with me right to the end, because I'll be sharing some super easy tips that you can start using tonight. So, why does this muscle loss happen? The medical term for it is sarcopenia. It's a natural process that actually starts very slowly, often in our 30s, but it really picks up speed after we hit 60. Essentially, our muscles get smaller, weaker, and less able to support our bodies. There are a few reasons for this. One of the biggest culprits is inactivity. It makes sense, right? When we move less, our muscles don't get the work they need, and they start to shrink. Another key factor is our diet. If we're not getting enough protein and other essential nutrients, our muscles simply don't have the fuel they need to repair and maintain themselves. Hormone changes that come with age also play a part. Now, this isn't just about losing raw strength. Losing muscle affects our balance, which can increase the risk of falls, and it even slows down our metabolism. That's why protecting your muscles is one of the most important things you can do for healthy, active aging. Here's where it gets interesting: the importance of what you eat before bed. Most of our muscle repair and rebuilding happens at night, while we're sound asleep. During this time, your body gets to work, using the nutrients from your last meal to heal and grow. This means that your bedtime snack is way more powerful than you probably realize. The single most important nutrient for this process is protein. Protein acts like the construction crew for your body, fixing the tiny micro-tears in your muscles that happen from daily activities. Without enough protein in your system overnight, muscle loss can actually speed up. It's also worth noting that seniors often need more protein than younger people because our bodies don't use it quite as efficiently as we age. Of course, other nutrients like healthy fats, calcium, and vitamins also support this nightly repair session. So, when you eat the right things before hitting the pillow, you're giving your body the exact tools it needs to stay strong while you rest. So, what are these magic foods that help build muscle while you sleep? Let me share some of the best options you can easily find. First up is Greek yogurt. It's absolutely packed with high-quality protein and is very easy to digest. A small bowl before bed is a fantastic way to feed your muscles all night long. Next, we have cottage cheese. This is a classic for a reason. It contains a type of protein that releases very slowly, giving your muscles a steady supply of fuel for hours while you sleep. Don't underestimate the power of a simple glass of milk. It provides a great combination of protein and calcium, which is great for both your muscles and your bones. If you prefer something with a bit of a crunch, try a small handful of nuts like almonds or walnuts. They provide healthy fats and a nice little protein boost. Plus, they're great for your heart health. And finally, hard-boiled eggs. They are quick, simple, and a powerhouse of protein. An egg is a perfect light snack if you don't want something too heavy before bed. Remember, even just adding one of these foods to your nightly routine can make a difference. These small, consistent choices really add up over time to build strong, healthy muscles. Now, food is a huge part of the puzzle, but it works best when combined with movement. This doesn't mean you have to start training for a marathon. Light exercises like daily walks, gentle stretching, or even lifting small weights or soup cans can keep your muscles active and engaged. The key is consistency. Even short bursts of activity every day make a big impact. Little things, like choosing to stand up more often or carrying your own groceries, all count towards your goal. And please, don't forget the importance of sleep itself. As we've discussed, muscles grow and repair while you rest. Aim for a solid 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. And of course, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and focus on eating balanced meals throughout the day. When you combine these habits with your protein-rich bedtime snack, you create the perfect environment for your muscles to stay strong for the long run. All right, let's do a quick review. We know that muscles can shrink with age, but we now have a plan to slow this process down. The key is to eat protein-rich foods before bed. Think Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, milk, nuts, or eggs. Combine this with staying active every single day, getting enough quality sleep, and drinking plenty of water. My advice is to start small. Just try adding one simple snack to your routine tonight. Maybe go for a short walk tomorrow. Build these healthy habits slowly, and I promise, over time you will feel the difference in your strength and energy levels. If you found this video helpful, why not try one of these tips tonight? I'd love to hear how it goes, so please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, effective health tips. Stay active, stay strong, and remember to take care of your body because it will definitely take care of you. See you in the next video.